Hello, I'm Kaylin Huntress, the Director of Virtual Training for eSpeakers, and in this video I'll show you around the eSpeakers Marketplace directory, which will help you understand how to rank higher in the search results using our eSEO score. Setting up your profile in the eSpeakers Marketplace is a great way to get exposure to buyers. Having a powerful selling profile in eSpeakers gives you a better chance of attracting meeting professionals looking for their next presenter. Let's start by showing you what a buyer will see while shopping for a speaker by going to our buyer site at eSpeakers.com/marketplace. This is where meeting planners and conference organizers go when they want to hire a speaker like you. Buyers can narrow their search by using the filters set on the marketplace site. So you can search on a topic. You can select whether somebody's on-site or virtual. You can search by availability, and this is a good reason why you should keep your calendar updated in Event CX. You can search for a location for on-site events, and you can search within a budget. If you want to filter by only certain speakers that have a specific award or designation or speak a certain language, you can do that here. You can also filter by the credentials that someone has. So let's do a search and see who comes up. I'm going to search for leadership. Now, those with a high eSEO score will rank higher in the search results than those who have a lower score. eSEO is eSpeakers' search engine optimization score. It's a similar type of search to a Google search, but we provide you with our algorithm to ensure your success. To find your eSEO score, you can go to your marketing dashboard after logging in to eSpeakers.com. The more items you add to your profile, the higher your eSEO will be. Get your eSpeakers search engine optimization up near 100% and you will rank the highest in eSpeakers Marketplace results.